Thank you for being a part of one of South Florida's most sought-after manufactured home communities. Paradise Village is more than just a neighborhood. It's a place to belong. With beautifully maintained surroundings, fantastic amenities, and a warm community, we're proud to offer a welcoming place for you to call home. This short video will guide you through key details about the rules and the benefits of living here. Because the more we all know about the rules, the better Paradise is for everyone. Your lease provides stability and clarity so you can enjoy peace of mind in your new home. Rent is due on the first of each month. It is essential for all homeowners to pay on time. Payments can be made by money order or check. Be sure to write your house number and street letter on the check. Bounce checks have a serious penalty, plus the amount due. If you're leaving town, you can always pay early. Late payments incur a substantial late fee on the 7th, and an additional daily late fee after that time. To help avoid late fees, visit rentmanager.com, our new secure resident portal. Pay online anytime and access an easy-to-use suite of financial tools that put you in control. And now for a few rules. Let's be honest. Unless you're a golden retriever, nobody really gets excited about rules. But here's the thing. Rules are kind of our secret sauce. They're the reason our vegetation is lush, our sidewalks are clean, and why our neighbors are not using their front lawn for a garage sale permanently. So while we don't expect you to memorize all the rules in one sitting, we do want to give you the highlights, starting with parking. Paradise Village allows a maximum of 2 cars per household. Parking sideways is not permitted. No commercial vehicles nor oversized vehicles of any kind may park at your home. You will be ticketed. Business owners, leave your business vehicles at work. If a service provider visits your home, use cones or a dashboard note to avoid a fine. Guest parking is available near the pool club. Homeowners may never park their own vehicles in guest parking. Parking on grass in front of homes, on the street, or across the sidewalk is never allowed. If you violate any of these parking rules, it is very possible that you will be ticketed, and even worse, towed. And nobody wants that. The title of your home may not be transferred to any other party. Any ownership transfer of any kind requires a community application for approval. Renting. Renting out your home in any way is a serious violation and cause for eviction. Paradise Village is an owner-occupied community. Renting, including Airbnb, is not tolerated. Important occupancy rules. Guests staying more than 15 consecutive days or 30 days per year must apply for a community approval, which includes a background check. Security. Homeowners are free to install alarm systems and/or security cameras. Please make sure cameras are not planted in a neighbor's home. Utilities. Electrical power and water must remain on at all times. Pets. Up to 2 4-legged pets are welcome per home. For health reasons, cats must remain inside at all times. Dogs must be fully vaccinated, well-trained, and leashed while outdoors. Excessive barking that disturbs the peaceful enjoyment of neighbors is, of course, not allowed. And please make sure you register all pets with the Paradise Village office. Trash collection days may vary. Place your bin neatly at the curb, make sure the lid's closed tight, and return it promptly after pickup. Paradise Village is one of South Florida's most desirable communities, and it's thanks to residents like you who help keep it that way. Here's how we work together. Landscaping. It is important to ensure your landscaping remains as beautiful and well kept as the day you moved in. Before making any landscaping changes, you must obtain approval from Paradise Village administration. It is essential that you maintain your lawn and landscaping. Bushes should be kept below window height. Grass should be kept watered, trimmed, and well maintained. All lots should have landscaped, planted beds, and bonus points for using shrubbery and landscaping to conceal vinyl skirting. Keep your home's exterior fresh and clean. Pressure wash your home, driveway, and sidewalks as needed. All homes come with a storage shed to ensure tidiness is maintained in all outdoor areas and driveways. Routine weekly community inspections ensure our high standards. If something needs attention, depending on the issue, you may have 7 days to resolve it before a violation fee applies. Make sure you follow the rules to avoid violations, escalation of fees, or penalties. Exterior modifications require prior approval. Please submit a request before painting or adding structures like a shed, porch, or pergola. We're happy to assist you with the process. Paradise Village offers a wide range of amenities for your comfort, recreation, and well-being. Enjoy our large swimming pool and wading pool, exercise room, basketball court, tennis courts, playground, and beautiful freshwater lake. You also find community parties, movie nights, and other events to enjoy with the family and neighbors. Thanks for listening to the highlights. Please take the time to thoroughly review your lease and the prospectus, which collectively contain very important information about the rules. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Paradise Village Administration. We're so grateful to have you as part of our community. And thanks for everything you do to make Paradise Village home.